Firstly, let's enable hotspot option in our mobile. So open up mobile settings and find out hotspot option. And now turn on the hotspot. Then tap on the hotspot name option here. It can be any username which you can find it later. Then again, give it a password that you won't forget also. Great, we have done all these steps from our mobile. So now let's move to our PC to finish up the other remaining steps. Well, from our PC down here, you will see a Wi-Fi option. Then click on it. And make sure really in this part that both your hotspot and Wi-Fi are enabled on this PC. And after that, click and open the Wi-Fi connection list right on the arrow here. Once it's opened, the hotspot name we gave for the mobile earlier will appear here. So next, click on it, then give it a password from your mobile. Alright, as it now seen activating the connection, we can check it out searching in a browser to see if it really works. Great, finally it's working. So well, I hope this lesson is pretty much easier to understand. And that's all today in this video.